Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting Touch ID now. Open Settings and go to Touch ID and Passcode, then type your passcode. Once there, tap Add a fingerprint to begin enrollment. Use a clean, dry finger and make sure any case or screen protector isn't obstructing the Home button. The sensor needs direct contact. Do this first because accurate contact captures ridges and valleys. The phone maps that pattern to unlock and payments. Keep your finger relaxed, don't press too hard, so the sensor can read multiple points. Now you'll capture the full fingerprint by following the on-screen prompts. Place your finger, wait for the brief vibration, lift, and place again. Once done with the center, the interface asks for edge angles. Adjust your grip slightly each time so the sensor records side ridges and different contact points. This diversity makes unlocking faster and more reliable. Make sure progress reaches full. If it stalls, reposition the finger and continue. You can also add a second finger for convenience and redundancy. Finish by enabling Touch ID uses like iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, and App Store purchases in the same settings pane. Toggle the options you want. Then lock the phone and test each function so you confirm the fingerprint works for every intended task. If the reader fails or is slow, don't panic. Try the troubleshooting step. Clean the Home button, dry your finger, restart the phone, and if needed, delete the fingerprint and re-enroll. Make sure passcode fallback is set and memorized in case of sensor failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.